Hello students, today I will teach you photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The plants make their own food with help of water and chlorophyll in presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Now, what is the meaning of photo? This photo word is taken from the light. Light have photons. So this word comes from the light, photons, and this process is known as photosynthesis. What happens? A plant uptake water from the roots, sunlight from the sun, and chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaves. The water goes up and carbon dioxide is exchanged from the atmosphere, and as a byproduct oxygen is given out. What happens if we see the cross section of the leaf? This is cuticle layer. This is upper epidermis. These are palisade mesodermal cells. These are the veins. And this is lower epidermis. This portion is lower epidermis. These bean shaped like cells are the stomatal cells, from where the gaseous exchange take place. And these all are air spaces, and this is the place where photosynthesis takes place. Basically, in photosynthesis there are three steps. One is absorption of light by chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaves which trap the sunlight. When the photons come to the chlorophyll, one electron goes from its lower state to the excited state, and this electron causes the splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. The second step is conversion of the light energy into the chemical energy and splitting of water molecule to hydrogen and oxygen. After that, the reduction of carbon dioxide takes place and carbohydrates are formed. The food is formed in the form of carbohydrates, and extra food is stored in the plant body. Opening and closing of stomata is very important, as the gaseous exchange take place from the stomata. The stomata have the guard cells. These bean shaped cells are the guard cells which help in opening and closing of the stomata. What happens when the guard cells absorb water? They become turgid and they swell up, and the shape become like bean shape. First of all, the stomata were like closed like this. When they absorb the water, they become turgid and swells up, and there is a tiny pore formed between the two guard cells. This tiny pore is known as stomatal pore. From here, the carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange itself, and when the guard cell lose all the water and become flaccid and stomatal pore is closed. So basic, we require sunlight for the photosynthesis that comes from the sun, from the environment, water from the roots, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and chlorophyll that is necessary for the absorption of the sunlight that is present in the leaves in the thylakoids where the photosynthesis takes place. First step was absorption of light by chlorophyll. What happens when the photons come to the chlorophyll? The electron goes from the lower state to its excited state. This electron causes the splitting of water into hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules. Actually, these hydrogen molecules are two sets of electrons. From these two electrons, one electron goes back to the chlorophyll so that chlorophyll again can trap the sunlight and the one electron goes to the Kelvin cycle where the carbon dioxide is converted into carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are food for the plants. The basic reaction for the photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight give rise to glucose, water and oxygen. Thank you.